How to block internet access on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Here, a quick way to block all internet access is by turning on airplane mode. This will immediately disconnect your device from all Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Alternatively, you can manually disable internet connections. Tap on Wi-Fi and toggle the Wi-Fi switch off. This will turn the Wi-Fi off. For more advanced control, scroll down the main settings page and tap on Screen Time. Within the Screen Time menu, locate the Content and Privacy Restrictions option under the Restrictions section. Make sure the main toggle for Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on. Inside this menu, find and tap on the App Store, Media, Web and Games option. Here, scroll down a bit to locate and tap on Web Content. You will see the current restriction level. Change the settings from Unrestricted to Limit Adult Websites. To block specific sites, tap on Add Website under the Never Allow section and enter the URL. Following these steps, you can successfully block internet access on an iPhone.